friends, how are you? Hope you're good. Yeah, this is my new channel, so I hope you will like it. Don't finish your video until you watch until the end. So please share us some love by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Okay, so we are going to begin with the first chapter of maths, which is integers. Okay, and this integers, it's actually a new chapter for you, and it's a very simple chapter at the same time. In this chapter, directly I'm going to move on to the exercise. Okay, so the exercise 1, first question, 1.1, first question goes: following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. Here they have given a number line in your textbook, first question. So in this number line, it is a temperature number line actually. So there are few places like Lahul Spiti, Srinagar, Shimla, Ooty and Bangalore which are taken into consideration, and their temperatures are shown in the number line. Okay, what you need to do is, what you have to do is, what is your aim in this question is, you need to find out the temperature of all these places. Okay, which temperature is marked, how much which place is marked, how much temperature you have to find out. That is your first aim. Moving on, before moving on to that, I want to tell you all that a number line, okay, you must have studied a number line previously also in your previous classes, but in your previous classes mostly you were worried about the numbers which comes after 0. Okay, so the numbers are arranged in ascending order, that is from small to big number. In this class you need to keep in mind that in a number line, it has both positive numbers as well as negative numbers. The positive numbers are represented to the right of 0, okay, to the right of 0 and in an ascending order, that is from small number to the they are arranged from according to the smallest and biggest, and to the left of the 0 it is the negative numbers. The negative numbers are also arranged from small to big. So if you take for example this 1 consider numbers only positive 1 and positive 5, which is bigger? Obviously positive 5 is bigger. What did we come to know? On the number line, the number which is to the right of it, it is the biggest number. Okay, you have to keep this logic in mind. Similarly, keeping this logic, can you answer me, if I take number -5 and -1, which is the biggest number? Yeah, the logic was which is to the right, that is the biggest number. So which number is at the right, -5 or -1? -1 is to the right, so -1 is biggest than -5. And also in negativity, if you consider only the negativity, the numbers which are close to 0, they are biggest. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind. By keeping this logic in mind, let's move on to the exercise questions. Okay, so the first aim is, you need to find the temperature of Lahul Spiti. What is the temperature at Lahul Spiti? If you look at this number line, where is 0 in this number line? The 0 is marked over here. Okay, so you have 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and among negativity it is 0, and then -5 you have and -10 you have. Now first is temperature of Lahul Spiti. Where is Lahul Spiti? It is here. So this is 0 and this is -5. I'll start counting after -5. So this goes -6, -7, this is your -6, -7, sorry, this is your -6, -7 and -8. See, this point is 5. Okay, -6, -7 and -8. So Lahul Spiti is marked -8 degrees centigrade. So the temperature of Lahul Spiti is -8 degrees centigrade. Now what is the temperature at Srinagar? That is our second aim. What is the temperature at Srinagar? This is our second aim. Where is Srinagar? It is here. Srinagar is here in the number line. So it goes, it is 0, 1 and 2. Is it positive or negative? It is to the left of 0, so it is negative. So it is -1 and -2. Srinagar is marked -2 degrees centigrade. Now what is the temperature at Shimla? Shimla is exactly on 5. Okay, it's at 5. So the temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees centigrade. What is the temperature at Ooty? Ooty, all these numbers, these are all to the right of 0. So after 0 to the right, these are all positive, and to the left of 0 it is all negative. So Ooty is marked how much? Let's count. It is 10 here, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So the temperature, it is 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. The temperature of Ooty is 14 degrees centigrade. So the temperature of Ooty is 14 degrees centigrade. We also have to find temperature of Bengaluru. Bengaluru is also at the right of 0, so it will be positive. So this is 20 here, so it will be 21 and 22. The temperature at Bengaluru is 22 degrees centigrade. So the sub question A, we have answered everything. Now moving on to the sub question B. Here one more thing, in sub question A, don't forget to write the units, the unit in degree centigrade, and before you answer in your test, please recheck the signs. In this chapter, mostly students miss on signs, the positive and negative signs. It means a lot. One positive sign and one negative sign means a lot. So please, okay. Moving on to the next one, it is our aim is we have to find the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place. They're asking you to find the temperature difference between the hottest place and coldest place. So that means that we have to find which is the hottest place in this number line, we have to find which is the coldest place in this number line, and we need to find the difference of those two places. So let's find out which is the hottest place. Okay, let me refer this. Which is the hottest place? Hottest place will have the highest degree temperature. Coldest place will have the lowest degree temperature. Which place has the highest number? That is regarded as the place which is hottest. So which is hottest here? It is 22 is the greatest number here. So 22 degrees centigrade is for the place Bangalore. So I will write hottest place is equal to 22 degrees centigrade. Which is the coldest place? Coldest place will have the least temperature, the lowest temperature. Now you may get confused here. Which is the lowest temperature here? -2 or -8? It's not -2, it's -8, because if you look at a number line, as I have told you, the number which is extremely left, that will be least number. Okay, which is to the left? Is it -8 or -2? To the left it is -8. -8 it is to the left. To the left is the lowest number, to the right is the highest number. So to the left it is -8, which is Lahul Spiti. I will record it. The coldest place is equal to -8 degrees centigrade. What is our aim? We have to find the temperature difference between these two places. Difference means it is negative. I have to subtract it. So first number is 22. So I have to subtract 22 minus and this number. I will write down 22. Since we are finding out difference, I will write that minus here. And the second place measures how much? -8. I will write that -8 here. Now, one more thing I want to explain you. You need to keep this rule in your mind. Whenever you have two negative signs, it will be replaced with a positive sign. Whenever you have one negative and one positive sign, it will be replaced with a negative sign. Whenever you have both the positive, it will be replaced with positive. Whenever you have one positive and one negative, it will be replaced with negative. So the trick to remember is same signs. So if both the signs are same here, it is negative and negative, it will be replaced with positive. Again here also same signs. The positive and positive, it will be replaced with positive. Different signs, one negative and one positive, it will be replaced with negative. One positive and one negative, it will be replaced with negative. So I have two negative signs here, so it will be replaced with positive. So I will write 22 plus 8. 22 plus 8 is how much? 30. So the difference between the hottest and the coldest place is 30 degrees centigrade. Okay. Now next aim is you need to find the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. To find the temperature difference between the Lahul Spiti and Srinagar, let me write down what is the temperature at Lahul Spiti, what is the measure of the temperature at Srinagar. The measure of temperature at Lahul Spiti is -8 degrees centigrade, and the measure of temperature at Srinagar is -2. See here, look here. Srinagar and Lahul Spiti. Lahul Spiti is -8, Srinagar is -2. I will write down that. And our aim is we have to find the difference between these two places. So difference goes like this. Srinagar is how much? -2. Since we are finding out the difference, I will write minus. Difference means we have to subtract. So I will write that minus here. All you need to do is first write this number, and since you are finding out the difference, write minus sign and then this number. That's what I have done here. I'll write down -2. Since I am calculating the difference, I'll write negative. And second temperature measures how much? -8. So I'll write down here. Now two negative signs I have, similar signs. So similar signs will be replaced with a positive sign. So I will write -2 plus 8. Now one more thing you have to keep in mind. This is -2 here and this is +8 here. Okay, 2 has negative sign and 8 has positive sign. Whenever you have two numbers with different signs means you always have to subtract these two numbers. Okay, so it is -2 and +8. Once again I'm going to repeat, 8 is a positive number here, 2 is a negative number here. So one positive and one negative number, you always have to subtract these two numbers. So I have to subtract 8 with 2. If I subtract 8 with 2, I will get 6. Now what will be the sign of 6? So the sign of 6 will always come from the greater number. You need to identify which is the greater number, -2 or +8. +8 is the greater number and 8 is the greater number. The sign of 8 is positive, so answer will also have positive sign. So it will be positive 6 degrees centigrade. One more thing you need to remember is, if you have -2 + 8, -2 - 8, then +2 - 8, and then +2 + 8. 2 is negative and 8 is positive. So these two are different numbers with different signs. 8 is positive, 2 is negative. So you need to subtract in this case. Next case, 2 is negative, 8 is also negative. Both of them are negative. If both of them are of same signs, you need to add. So this will add up to 8 plus 2, you will get 10. And 10, which is a greater number, 8 is a greater number. So greater number sign is negative. So answer will also have negative in that. Now, here it is. These are all just few examples I'm explaining you with. So 2 is positive and 8 is negative. Both the numbers have different signs, so I have to subtract. When I subtract 8 with 2, I will get 6. Now 6 will have what sign, which is the greater number. 8 is the greater number. The sign of 8 is negative, so answer will also have negative sign. Now both of them are positive here in this case, so same signs you need to add. So 8 and 2, when you add, you will get 10. The greater number is 8. The sign of 8 is positive, so answer will also have positive. Moving on to this. So -2 + 8, it is +6 degrees centigrade. So we found out the difference, temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar. Next, what is that we have to do? Is the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together less than the temperature at Shimla? Read the question again. Temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together. So that means taken together means you need to add up the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. So when you add Srinagar and Shimla's temperature, you will get some number, some temperature. Is that temperature less than the temperature of Shimla? You need to check. So for that, I will write down what is the which two places I am considering. Srinagar and Shimla's temperature taken together. Let me write down what is the temperature at Srinagar. Temperature at Srinagar is -2 degrees centigrade. The temperature at Shimla is 5 degrees centigrade. They're telling that these two temperatures taken together. Okay, so taken together means I have to add. So this plus this. So it's very simple. -2 + 5. Now -2 is negative number, 5 is positive. So one positive and one negative. So you have to subtract different numbers, different signs, you have to subtract. So if you subtract 5 with 2, you will get 3. And which is the greater number? It is 5 here. So 5 has what sign? Positive sign. So the answer will also have positive sign. Even if you don't write any sign, it is assumed that it is positive. Okay. This is the temperature of Shimla and Srinagar taken together. But our aim is we have to find, is this taken together temperature, is it less than Shimla or not? So that is, I should know what is the temperature at Shimla. It is 5 degree. Is this 3 degree less than 5 degree or not? Yes. 3 degree is less than 5 degree. Okay, 3 degree is less than 5 degree. 3 degree is the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together, and the temperature of Shimla is 5 degree. So 3 degree is less than 5 degree, or 5 degree is greater than 3 degree. Okay. Next aim is Srinagar and Shimla's temperature also less than Srinagar? Okay. When you take Srinagar and Shimla's temperature together, is it less than Srinagar? Here we checked less than Shimla. Here we have to check less than Srinagar or not. What is the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together? We just calculated. Here it is 3 degree. And what is the temperature of Srinagar? Srinagar is -2. We have to check, is 3 degree less than -2? Is 3 degree less than -2? Check here. Our aim is to check, is 3 degree less than -2? Okay. Now where is 3? It is here, to the right of 0. Where is -2? To the left of 0. What are they telling? They're telling that is 3 degree less than -2. Is this less than -2? Is it less? Is it less than this? No, because it is at the right of 0, so it is positive. It is greater, and also it is a positive number. This one is a positive number, and this is a negative number. Obviously, positive number will be greater than the negative number, so it is not less than Srinagar. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And also do let me know in your comments what more you need. If you have any particular, if you're looking for any particular explanation of any of your chapters, any particular question, do let me know. Don't forget to comment. Thank you so much. Bye.